Ditch the chaos and unlock your potential with a simple yet effective tool. A personalized habit tracker in Notion. First, create a new page in Notion, name it Habit Tracker. Convert the page into a database. Choose the table view for easy organization. Now, populate the first column with the habits you want to track. Examples include drink water, exercise, or read. Next, add columns for each day of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. Format each column as a checkbox property. To visualize your progress, create a new column called Status. Format this column as a progress bar. In the status column, use a formula to calculate the percentage of completed habits for the week. This will automatically update the progress bar as you check off days. Here's a simple example of the formula. Prop Monday plus Prop Tuesday plus Prop Wednesday plus Prop Thursday plus Prop Friday plus Prop Saturday plus Prop Sunday. 7. To focus on the current week, create a filter that displays only relevant entries. Finally, customize your habit tracker with icons, colors, and different views to make it visually appealing and motivating for you. Experiment with different layouts, add reminders, and tailor it to your unique needs. That's how you build your own habit tracker in Notion.